In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate HubSpot to manage and enhance your reporting capabilities. Whether you need detailed insights for your marketing campaigns or sales performance, following these steps will help you build and refine the reports you need with ease. Let's dive right in. First, logging into HubSpot is your initial step. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're in, head over to the navigation bar at the top and click on Reports. From the drop-down menu, select Reports again. This section is your central hub for accessing all report features. At this point, you'll have the option to either choose an existing report or create a new custom report tailored specifically to your needs. If you select an existing report, you can start reviewing the data immediately. However, if your requirements are unique and you can't find a ready-made report that fits your criteria, click on the option to create a new report. Here, you can customize it fully according to your needs. The next critical step in crafting your report is selecting data sources and metrics that align with your objectives. These data sources can range from contacts, deals, or even specific marketing campaign metrics. Think about what goals you wish to achieve with this report and ensure you're selecting the most relevant data to reflect those goals accurately. Once the data sources and metrics are in place, you can move on to refining your data for better clarity. This involves applying filters to narrow down the information to what's most pertinent. Consider using groupings to organize your data meaningfully. Finally, choose appropriate visualization types such as charts or graphs to make the data easily digestible. Visualization plays a crucial role in identifying trends and patterns at a glance. Take time to experiment with different types until you find what presents the data most effectively. After crafting the report, don't forget to save your work. Saving is essential for easy retrieval in the future. Additionally, you can add your reports to a dashboard. Dashboards provide a consolidated view of multiple reports in one place, allowing for quick access and analysis. This can be particularly beneficial if you regularly need to evaluate several reports together. Lastly, share your reports with relevant stakeholders. HubSpot offers features that allow you to share these reports seamlessly, ensuring everyone who needs access stays informed. To take it a step further, schedule automated delivery of reports. By doing so, you ensure key stakeholders receive updated reports at regular intervals without the need for manual intervention. This is particularly helpful for maintaining consistent communication and keeping the team in the loop. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to navigate HubSpot's reporting features, helping you turn data into actionable insights. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy reporting!